Mediterranean snapper. Great summer fish. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do with today. Meggy tomatoes. Israeli tomatoes with unique flavor. Red chilies. Green chilies. Chop. Garlic. Salt. Olive oil. Fresh basil. Hot oven, 250 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes until you get a nice brown color on the top. While my tomatoes are cooking in the oven, I will prepare my fish. For the fish to cook evenly, I will make a cut that will run on this line. To give some flavor to the fish, I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to fill the belly with some basil, garlic, and chili. Stuff it on. I'm going to smash the tomatoes. Smash, smash. Take out all the juices. I finished seasoning the fish. It's done. I'm going to put it in the oven for 12 minutes and it's going to be ready. I'm going to put some liquids on top of the fish to prevent them from drying out. Smells amazing. I'm going to eat it.